Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 4 minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I am currently trying to buy at 49, so I'm watching that number, and I want to see that drop down to 49, go slightly below, which would allow me to buy, and when I buy, this whole light white line here will turn green. So that is how my platform is working, and I am doing options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide. Excuse me, and I will link you to a free guide class that I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It's like 30 minutes long. Walk you through the terminologies, how they all work. And I know sometimes people run away with options because they are, oh, those are so complicated, and they can be made very complicated. They can be made very advanced, but they don't need to be made that way. I approach them in more of a simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things, and I'm confident that guide can help you out. So again, just comment below option guide. Now we'll link you to it. Well, if you've been watching this number right here, you see it's not getting anywhere closer to 49. It's actually getting further away. So as of now, looking like that's going to be a faulty trade plan. I'll just cancel that order out, and I'll keep looking. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 49. So again, watching this number over here. See if it can make its way up there. All right, at this point, I'm going to go to 48. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a very close eye on it and see if it wants to push up there. Whoop, I am in, and I missed that entry point and out for $100. So as fast as I could get in, I got out. Apologize, it shot up there. That was a 2-second trade. You can see the execution time right here, in at 28, out at 30. For $100. So I know I captured the exit point because when the video started coming back, that was white for a brief second, and it went from white to green. So again, I apologize that I missed that. But I need to, oops, not that one. This one here, let's try again, 49. There we go. And that's what kind of it's hard. That's what these are live. So I'm doing my best to keep the video rolling, but it's also hard because a lot of times, okay, I guess I'm not paused. Okay, maybe I'm going to get filled. Okay, nope, I don't get filled. Okay, I think I'm going to get it filled. Nope, I don't get filled. And I understand that that's probably relatively annoying from a viewer standpoint, but you know, I'm trying to avoid what I just missed there, but sometimes it just shoots up so much. But also, at the same time, it may be annoying, but also that's the reality of trading sometimes. You got to be patient. You've got to wait for your entry points. And sometimes you're going to go through those moments where, yeah, I'm going to go to 48. You just can't quite get filled. So I understand maybe kind of annoying, but that's also the annoying part of trading sometimes. If you're a patient trader and disciplined, well, then part of it is, yeah, almost, not quite. Almost, not quite. Okay, I'm going to change this again. 49 there. All right, I will pause and I'll keep a close eye on it. I have an order at 59 here. Now that feels like a forced trade. It really seems like this thing has a very good chance of wanting to break out. So for me to be getting short right there. Now, maybe it does get rejected, and I'll sit here and say, I should have held up with my instincts, but I'm getting a little anxious. So there's well, I would have been okay. But that one just didn't feel right because it seemed like I'm getting a little, I mean, that last trade went so well. I'm thinking, all right, let's get another one. Let's get some momentum going. And now we're kind of at a little bit of a lull here. So just want to err on the side of caution. Let's go to 47 here. There we go. Let's see if we can get a push up through that level. All right, I'll pause. I'll keep an eye on it. All right, I have an order at 47. Oh, that's what I wanted. So I got a Chang strike. These prices here. Go to 47 at this level. See if we can get this thing to keep on moving up here. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, gonna go for put here at 56. Nope, hesitating too much. So let's go to 47 at this point. Let's see if it wants to push up through that area. I will pause. I have an order at 57 here. It's close for a moment. All right, I'll pause. We're going to try for one here at 57.5 a put. We'll see if it wants to come back up. Tried the breakout, wanted to see if it was going to just keep breaking out or fail, and it started to act a little sketchy. So hopped in, or I tried to hop in, but I was a little too late. But let's see if it wants to give it another try back up there. Again, I'm at 57.5. No, I don't like how it's pausing around like that. All right, I will keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 47 here. In at 47 for a call and out for $150. Very, very smooth and quick. Let me adjust this down to my next potential entry point. Change strike prices. Change what? Again, comment below option guide, and that'll be one of the things that I clarify for you. One of the many terms. Well, I shouldn't say many because there's not many, but that is one of the terms. So bad choice of words. All right, if this thing wants to come down, I guess you can't even see it right there to that blue. Oh, wow. That blue line right there. I would like that quite a bit. So throw out an order at 47 again. I realize that's far away, but by the time the price gets down here, the price could very well be down around that $47 mark. So let me just double check. 47, there we go. So let's see, how long was that last trade? 4 seconds. 4 seconds, 150. Again, if you look right there, you can see when I got in, when I got out, and right there, 4 seconds for 150, which is just bonkers when you stop and think about it. But that's why you got to be patient. When you're patient, you get the right entry point. Then that, as you just saw there, that can be quite realistic. So first trade was $100 in 2 seconds. This one was $150 in 4 seconds. All right, I'll pause. We'll see if it wants to come back down. Getting pretty close to just calling it a day, but this is some good action here. And if it does want to come down to this area, even though it's going the opposite way right now, I could be interested. So I'll give this thing a few more moments. I will pause. Well, it continues to go the opposite way that I want it to go. So I am going to go ahead and just call it good. So relatively anticlimactic day. And it is what it is. 2 trades, 2 very fast trades, but a lot of patience was required to get those entry points. And I know there's a lot of canceled orders and adjusted orders and all that, but that's just part of the strategy, and that's just really part of trading as a whole. If you find yourself constantly hopping in and you never, or you very rarely find yourself needing to cancel an order or adjust an order, I can't say for sure that you have a bad strategy, but I would submit to you that to at least consider and reflect on the fact that maybe you're being a little too antsy. Again, I can't say that for sure, but like I said, part of trading is you're not always going to get the exact price action you want. But when you do, as you saw in that very last one, then you can make some very quality money in relatively short amount of time. So again, if you want to learn more about options, let me know by putting option guide. And then if you want to learn more about charts and what I'm using here, how I'm making my decisions, I do offer a free webinar on that. And if you stick around, I'm going to change to another video right now and explain more of how you can get signed up for it. So thanks for watching. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.